So today is 19th of August 2020. By the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around, we'll be taking Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 8, text 27 words. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nashtaprayesha Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloki Bhaktir Bhavati Naishtuki Mukhena Lokartiharasmitena Parispurat Kundala Manditena Shonayitena Dharabimba Bhasha Pratharyantam Sunasena Subhrava Mukhena, by a gesture of the face. Loka Artihara, vanquisher of the distress of the devotees. Smitena, by smiling. Parispurata, dazzling. Kundala, earrings. Mandatena, decorated with. Sonayitena, acknowledging. Adhara, of the lips. Bimba, reflection. Bhasa, rays. Pratyaharyatam, reciprocating. So, Nasena, by his pleasing nose. So, Bhruva, and pleasing eyebrows. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. He also acknowledged the service of the devotees and vanquished their distress by his beautiful smile. The reflection of his face, decorated with earrings, was so pleasing because it dazzled with the rays from his lips and the beauty of his nose and eyebrows. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmritamena Tasmai Sri Gurube Namah Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnavasthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakatamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shada Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavamcha cha Sri Rupam Sagradadam Sagana Raghunathan Pitantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadutam Purjana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitamcha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpati Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanushrute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Vaishya Kripa Sindhu Evacham Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namo Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishaya Bhutale Srimate Jayapataka Swami Nityanamine Namaho Acharya Padaya Nitya Kripa Pradayane Gaurkatha Damadaya Nagaragrama Tharane Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashadi Stharane Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Mukhena Lokarthiresmitena Parispurat Kundala Manditena Sonayitena Dharabimba Vasha Pariharatyantam Sunasena Subhrava. So, Maitreya Muni, describing the beauty of the Lord, Now see, only the devotees can describe the beauty of the Lord. Even we see, we simply say, oh, deity looking beautiful, very nice. You can't really explain. Because two things are required. One, Krishnamati, Krishna Prema, and Kripa. Then only you can describe. We know when Dhruva saw Lord Narayana Hari in front of him, he didn't know what to do. Nothing. He was that struck. But when Narayana touched the conch shell in his forehead, he started speaking. The glories, the Purusha Shuktra, and everything. I find it myself describing the beauty of Krishna. I admire do, no doubt about it, but describing very, very difficult. He said the Krishna acknowledged the service of the devotees. The smallest service. When he say when Lord Ramchandra was doing the Udyama to make the bridge between India and Sri Lanka, the one is squirrel will go in the water, wet herself, come in the sand, roll around and go again and put it there. Everybody laughed at her. But Lord Sri Rama appreciated the mentality, the efforts, the zeal, the desire, the helping hand. Even a small quantity, I want to help my Lord. I see. Some of the people, they donate maybe 100,000 crores every month or every year, something like that. We may not even do it. But simply, when Aarti comes, put some money, go down to the deity, there are Dana Patra there, they put it over there. You can go to the Dan window, donation window. You can donate something. Whatever your might is there. Who is asking you to donate 2 crore, 3 crore, 4 crore? So it desire, and Krishna accept desire is known as Bhava Grahi Janardhan. And then what happened thereafter? What is the result? Vanquish their distress by his beautiful smile. You know, let us say, when a child gets hurt, right? He comes running to the mother and father. They don't know where he's hurt. They simply take him, hug him, and put his hand on the head, and that boy or the girl gets solace. So similarly, like we touch our offsprings of our nearest and dearest one by hugging, similarly Krishna simply smiling. His name is Hari. Hari Haraya. What is Haraya? Dukkha. That's why his name Madana Mohana. Madana means he who attracts. Mohana means who created the illusion. Those who wants to come near to him to do devotional service, he is a Mohana for them. And those who just want to say bye-bye from far, he is Madana. Madana is attraction, Mohana means illusion. So purpose is, how Krishna does that? Simply the smile is more than enough. To, sometime, I remember my childhood pastime, that whenever annual exam will finish and then we'll go to collect our card and we'll have a 1 rupee in hand, we'll give 1 rupee at a Guru Dakshina. So any boy comes nearby, if the boy has scored some good mark, the teacher will smile. Is he right? Oh, very good, very good. He smiles. And with the smile, we'll come to know, I've done good thing. So Krishna's smile is trillions times better than the smile that I'm quoting here. But you can understand. Your fear is gone. Before that, before you're going to the collector or your mark sheet or certificate, you are fearful. I don't know what must have happened, what must have happened. That time there wasn't a system, they don't put in a blackboard. It's only you go personally come to know you are pass or fail. And when he's smiling, the Guru is giving the mark sheet, it means you are passed. If you just hand it over, it means you are failed. So smiling Krishna dissipate like that. There is a dense darkness. If somebody lit a little lamp or a matchstick or a lighter, if certain areas of darkness dissipates. But Krishna is Surya Sama. When he laughs, the complete darkness within the mind, heart and outside the devotees dissipates. That is so beautiful, his smile. Furthermore, what is beautifying his smile? The reflection of his face. Yesterday we were talking about 24 and a half moon. Nobody asked thereafter. The 20s are the nails, and 2 are eyes, 2 are cup-holes, and 1 is the forehead, 24 and a half. So, reflection of his face, decorated with earrings, was so pleasing because it dazzled with the rays from his lips and the beauty of his nose and eyebrows. Krishna's features are so perfect, nobody can find a fault in him. Even if you try, millions of years, you won't find a fault. So perfect. That's why he's so charming. Krishna, he who attracts. Forget about human being. Even the birds, the beast, snakes, reptiles, ants, trees, fruits, flowers. When they see Krishna, they get mesmerized. So that's the beauty of his nose and eyes and his face and his earrings and kundalam and things like that. Let us see what Prabhupada is saying. Devotional service to the Lord is very much obliging to him. There are many transcendentalists in different fields of his spiritual activities, but devotional service to the Lord is unique. Devotee do not ask anything from the Lord in exchange for their service. Even the most desirable liberation is refused by devotees, although offered by the Lord. Thus, the Lord becomes a kind of debtor to the devotees. He has said in 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, when he was appreciating the devotion of the gopis, he says, I will be never ever able to pay the debts of your love for me. That kind of. So he become always debtors. And he can only try to enliven. And by seeing the devotee so enlivened, the Lord himself is further satisfied. One day I met Jayapataka Swami Guru Maharaj, and I asked him, Maharaj, are you feeling pain? You know what he told me? Yes, I do feel pain. When devotee comes to me and they start crying. So it is not a bodily pain. But I am so unfortunate, I am giving them pain, they are crying for me. Would you believe it? If somebody would ask me, I would say, yeah, Prabhu, pain is little reduced. Yeah, Prabhu, pain is little gone. Things like that. I wouldn't have courage to say that yes, I have got a pain when somebody comes to me and feel guilty as if they have done it for me. Or as if they are the cause of this. No, these thoughts never come to our mind. So Guru Maharaj said, yes, I feel pain. When I see my devotees crying for me, I become the cause of their suffering. What a sentiment. What a sentiment. Furthermore, Prabhupada said, so there is continuous transcendental competition between the Lord and his devotees by such reciprocation of service and acknowledgement. Parasparam. Bodhayanta Parasparam. Krishna listens. He listens very precisely. Even not the words, even the thoughts. He reads. He understands. And for his devotees, he wants to do everything that is possible. And therefore, that's why they say the Vaishnava never dies. They live for hundreds and thousands of years. You see the people appearing, Raj Rishis, Brahma Rishi, Deva Rishi appearing in the pieces of Srimad Bhagavatam. They are ever living. They are ever living. Because they connected to the Lord, they live. Our Srila Prabhupada will also live another 10,000 years in the heart and minds and the tongues and speeches of the devotees. because he has done so much of Krishna, and Krishna is reciprocating. So let me take the text 28 also. Kadamba kinjal kapishanga vasasa swalankritam mekhalaya nitambe harena chanantam dhananena vatsa srivasa kaksha sthalavallabena. Kadamba kinjalka, saffron dust of the kadamba flower. Pishanga, dress of color. Vasasa, by clothing. Swalankritam, well decorated. Mekhalaya, by the belt. Nitambe, on the waist. Harena, by the garland. Cha also. Ananta, highly. Dhanena, valuable. Vatsa, my dear Vidura. Srivatsa, of the transcendental marking. Vaksasthala, on the chest. Ballavena, very pleasing. Translation. Oh my dear Vidura, the Lord's waist was covered with yellow cloth resembling the saffron dust of the kadamba flower, and it was encircled by a well-decorated belt. This chest was decorated with the Srivatsa marking and the necklace of unlimited value. Again, attributes the beauty of the Lord. Now, why can't we understand this? What is impossible? Why can't we do that? Because we are full of anarthas. Our life is anartha. There is no artha in our life. Anartha, which has no value. Why? There are many anarthas we have. We have Hridaya Dauravalyam, Aparadhas. We have desires. We have Tattva Vibhrama. And because of this, we can't understand Krishna as he is. In Hridaya Dauravalyam, we have deceit. We don't cheat others. We don't tell lies. We are not forthcoming. We always hide. Second anartha we have got is fault finding. And forget about our fellow devotees and all. We find the fault in Krishna. We find the fault in Acharya. We find the fault in Gurus. If somebody is not doing correctly, somebody will say, Guru Maharaj must have told him. Now, you are suspecting Guru. He must have told him something, that's why he is doing it. Or if this man is saying, Guru Maharaj told me, so why we have to analyze it? Guru Maharaj must have told him. How can you say, no, yes, but? So this is fault finding. And the beauty is envy. We don't want anybody to excel better than us. Simply, maybe our daughter and children. Otherwise, nobody should excel. Not at all. Even in the house where the wife is earning more, there is always a problem. Because we become very envious. That's our nature. They are the anarthas. And with this, we don't understand Krishna. And then the beauty is we develop hatred. But we are very smart. We are deceitful. We don't exhibit our hatred to others. Even we hate somebody, we start laughing. And because of that, Hridaya Dauravalyam, we can't understand Krishna as Krishna is. And then, sometime intentionally, sometime unintentionally, we do aparadha. Nam aparad, Vaishnav aparad, Jeev aparad, DT aparad, Dham aparad. And another anartha, we have the desire. Every one of us desire for material objects. Even the young girls and the boys, they desire the beautiful partner or handsome partner. This is a material object, desire. And within the desire, the most important thing to remember Krishna, we forget. Another one, our desire is to reach heaven, to enjoy unlimitedly with the apsaras. Is a desire. Or somebody has a mystic desire that if I curse somebody, it should take place there and then. But a desire. Or if I am in a danger, I should just use my mystic power and fly from there. Or whatever it is. So they desire also. When we have the desire, we can't understand Krishna as He. And many of us are looking for liberation. Liberation means we want to get free from this bodily discomfort. And we think in heaven there is no bodily discomfort. And Krishna says, Brahma bhavana loka puna avartino arjuna mamupayate tu kaunteya punarjanma na vidyate. And many of us, we want to go Swarga. We want to get liberation. And another anarthas we have is Tattva Vibhrama. It is for Tattva. We have the self-identification. I am this, I am that, I have done this, I have done that, I was this and I was that. Everything me. And in that they do me. Paratattva. Another one, not knowing who the Lord is. This is also Tattva Vibhrama. Not knowing the Lord is, and because of ego, not inquiring from somebody else, how do you know he knows better than me? It's called a paratattva, not asking anybody. And then, shadhya. We don't have any goal which we want to achieve. We want to achieve the goal of material fame, name, prosperity, wealth, land building, cars, ships, planes, which over a period of time they are going to destroy themselves, even if they don't destroy themselves. So this is what our goal is. Rinam kritva ghritam pivat. Ghritam pivet. And another, sadhan, not using the opulence for Krishna. We have everything at our disposal. Everybody, even the poor can. Patram, puspam, phalam, toyam. Everybody can do that. But we don't want. We simply say, see, I am so kripanaha. I don't have anything to give to the Lord. Isn't it so simple? And what Krishna is not saying, give me what you have earned. No. Patram, puspam, phalam, toyam. Within the desire, within the love, show me, I will accept it. But we don't. And these are the reasons that we don't find Krishna, the beauty, the body of Krishna. When you go to the temple, you see Krishna, you simply say, yeah, he's good. You cannot describe. Because we don't have that, the eyes. Pashyati, yoma pashyati sarvatra. Sarvam chamai pashyati. Tashyamna pranashami, sachamena pranashati. We don't pashyati, we don't see it properly. We went to Tirupati ji. It's a matter of few seconds. We see Tirupati ji better in the picture than seeing Tirupati ji when we went there personally. Because I don't know what thoughts we may have that time when we just in front of the deity. The up and down is so big, maybe 18 feet or so. You can't even see. And then somebody pushed out. Because of her desire. But those who have the love for Krishna, they can see Hridaya Yesu Vilokayanti. Yam Sham Sundaram Achinta Rupam. Hridaya Yesu Vilokayanti. So, this is the way, though this full chapter is beautiful. I have heard few classes of Radha Govind Maharaj when he is describing the beauty of Krishna. His kapola, his nose, his ear, his chin, his lips, his teeth, his eyebrow, his forehead, his shoulder, it is neck, it is his uru, it is his thighs, it is the fingers, everything nicely been described. But because we are Materna Krishna, we find it difficult. Anyway, so with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity. Hare Krishna.